So, if you are a working professional, an entrepreneur, a business owner, someone trying to learn artificial intelligence in the most effective and professional way possible, then you've come to the right place. First of all, feel free to destroy the like and the subscribe button to join our global community of professionals, entrepreneurs, executives, working professionals who are trying to develop themselves educationally and professionally as well. As registered CPD providers, we are providing you with the in demand skills and expertise that will make a difference within your professional setting, your personal setting to help you grow and excel. That being said, I'm going to be sharing with you as part of the current video a lecture from our premium business and entrepreneurship AI course, which will cover a lot of grounds, whether logo design, packaging, accounting and bookkeeping, branding, and the list goes on. Full a cohesive AI powered business. Every single element, which would cost you thousands upon thousands of dollars, we're going to teach you how to save up time, save up effort, save up the whole cost of trying to do this by yourself through smart use of artificial intelligence. As CPD providers, you'll be getting a completion certificate to help you showcase your achievement whenever you finish every single course. All of these are brought to you under a full-on powerful bundle attended by thousands of professionals across the globe. Take a look at the video description. Hopefully it helps you out. It will save you time, save you effort, the whole cost of trying to learn every single one of them by itself. You're able to slice everything less than half and get optimal results based on the great feedback and reviews from our global community of over 180,000 professionals globally. That being said, let's dive into the current lecture, and hopefully it gives you some insights and helps you acquire some in-demand skills and expertise. Whether you decide to go for the program, the course or not, it's up to you. But like I mentioned, destroy the like and the subscribe button and join us. Let's dive right into it. Welcome back. Now I'm going to have ChatGPT select the best logo from all of the logos in order to save up some time in the creative process. Feel free to pick whatever logo that you'd like, by the way. You can just simply proceed with the same prompt I've shared with you previously to get every single logo by itself, and then you have the ability to download it and you can use it as is for your own ventures or for your own projects. But I'm going to show you how to showcase your logos in a professional fashion. At this stage, create one single logo, which is the best design option based on the previous results. So over here at this stage, I have walked through the journey of the logo design creative process by guiding ChatGPT from the brand all the way to logo concepts, to variations, to some creative freedom, to end up with asking ChatGPT to combine everything that we have done so far in order to create a single logo. This is a very professional prompt engineering tactic where we are actually having ChatGPT go through the process of finding all of these designs, then to end up suggesting a single design based on all of these samples that we have generated, which will help you get inspired in the process. And you might be surprised that you might be landing at one design, which is the best design within the entire process. So it's very important at this stage to try to come up with a design for the logo, select a logo, because we are going to be using it as part of the showcasing of the logo. And here we go. So based on all of the previous designs, this is the logo which seems like the best fit, combining all of these previous designs such that we have a final winner, so to speak. Now, feel free to change this as you get to the finalized stage where you have one solid logo that you would like to use. Then you could add some sort of modifications to it. It's up to you. Now I'm going to show you how to showcase the logo. That way you're able to visualize how would it look like based on your theme, your product, your packaging, whatever it is. Now, display the logo on a mock-up for the coffee cup or mug. Since this is a logo for a cafe, I would like to see how would this logo look like on day-to-day products or items such as a mug, a takeaway cup, or a menu, for example. That way I have a clear idea whether or not this is the design I would like to go or proceed with. So now I'm going to have ChatGPT display this logo on a mockup, a coffee, a cup or mug, whatever it is, in line with the brand, in line with the project I'm working on. That way I could just simply decide that, you know what, this is the logo I would like to proceed with. And I truly hope that this gives you some inspiration for your own projects. It's not just simply a matter of selecting a logo and then you have to proceed with it. On the contrary, we need to see if this is the best fit for our application or not. And this is what I'm trying to help you over here. You're able to see this from a realistic point of view, how it fits within the entire design process, within the entire creative process. And here we go. Take a look at this delightful design. This is an actual coffee cup that you would get from the cafe. Take a look at the logo over here. We got roasted beans. This is the logo. Like I've mentioned, I'm showing you how to have a realistic design, a realistic representation, and it doesn't get more real than this. This is the actual coffee cup, and you got your professional logo designed and placed on your actual product, which is the current coffee cup. And this applies to any project that you're working on. You're able to visualize the outputs or the outcomes in terms of how would your professionally looking logo look like. So what do you think? I truly hope that you found the lecture helpful. If it helped you get some insights in terms of artificial intelligence for business and for entrepreneurship, then it's a job well done. Like I mentioned, if you'd like to take it to a whole new level, to grow your business, your entrepreneurship journey, to learn about using artificial intelligence for work, take a look at the video description. I got for you a bundle of courses with fraction of the price, with a wealth of knowledge and premium value that will transform your own day-to-day activities as an entrepreneur, business owner, working professional, the same way it has helped thousands of professionals within leading organizations across the globe. And I look forward to seeing you on the other side.